536. 55. Older track. I guarantee it's hot though. The Voyager, out beyond the galaxy, or the system at least. Hardtailers. Home sweet home. Oh, like nothing's moved. Found eagle feather. Head just kind of trimmed. That's weird. Huh. Packing a heavy load today. We've got a sleeping bag, thermarest. I got a backpack full of crap. Got a pack full of crap. Got a pack full of crap. But oh yeah, what we got here? Yeah, Alaskan winter ale, brewed with spruce tips, 6.4%. Yeah, pretty mild. Not very hoppy. I don't know if I'd taste any spruce tips. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, it was kind of a spruce tea to it. Oh, and yeah, we're not screwing around tonight. We got a half pint of Hennessy too. Because that brings a tear to your eye. I just saw movement in the woods. Somebody in the woods over there. People came barreling through here. Interesting. Snapped off, cut. I got nettled in the neck. Damn, slippery shit. that was not there before. I do not know where them people went. Whoever the hell that was in the woods, there was 2 of them. I don't see them now. That was just a really weird place to come down, as far as I'm concerned. Do hear the occasional rustling. I don't hear anything else. I got a pointy stick. Shouldn't freaking actually leave the camp so long. But yeah, whoever those people were must have, I don't know, I don't know why they came down the side of that hill like that. Because they had a dull machete, I guess. Wanted to try it out. They just tooted 5 times. I'm a little wobbly. Sorry. I don't see any other lights. I did see 2 little lights. That must have been what he was beeping at, whatever them 2 lights are. She did 5 blasts. That's like danger. Imminent danger if you don't get the frick out the way, because I can't turn that fast. Yeah, I'm having like super duper condensation problems here. It's like 1,000,000% humidity. Yeah, I got me a dog going. And bun warming on the rock. So we're cooking with gas. Oh, what we got going on here?
Did 176 have a
Let's see, Sunday, 2:11 a.m. It is a full moon tonight. I was wondering if it was a full moon tonight, because it's been kind of goofy around here. I've heard howling and all sorts of stupid shit. What are we, 48 degrees. Hey, alright. The dog. The beer. It's not looking good, man. I'm almost out of cognac. Down to my last beer. It's only like midnight. Things could get rough from here on out. Oh man, yeah. My alarm clock. Well, I guess I need to find me some twigs that are semi-dry. Get my fire going, because I need a cup of coffee. Alright, gotta go find some of that fresh mountain spring water. Wonderbar. Yep, that's boiling. Burned my fingers off. I burnt myself with this more times than I could count. Yeah, we got milk, prescription drug, sugar, blueberries and cream, Quaker instant oats, a real spoon. Screw these camping spoons, man. I've had so many damn camping spoons. This don't even weigh a freaking ounce. And it's a real spoon. Same with this. Like my setup is a ounce and a half. It's a real spoon and a real fork. 9:30 in the morning. Finishing up my coffee. You gotta go, you gotta go. Random dog. Oh, let's see what we got going on here.
You guys have a tour already booked?
Pretty and pink. Is indeed pretty. All the jewelry stores seem to be owned by Middle Easterners. Still wonder about these sheep that walk down the sidewalk wearing masks. See them young and old. Especially when like 99.9% of the people around you are not wearing a mask. But just like being the odd man out.